All right, let's get into it. We're going to make a Fedora Linux Live USB. It's the best way to try a new OS. You can explore the powerful Fedora Linux without even touching your current setup. Let's dive in. So, what is Fedora? It's backed by Red Hat, and developers absolutely love it for its innovative features. And here's why people are so into it. You get fresh software, it's super stable, and it's really secure. Okay, the big question. How do you try it out safely? Turns out the answer's pretty simple. The solution is a live USB. It lets you run the whole Fedora OS right from a flash drive. Getting started is a breeze. You're just going to need these 4 things right here. And for your USB drive, make sure it's at least 4 gigs. That's the minimum you'll need. All right, let's do this. We'll start with the official tool, which is perfect for beginners. It's a simple 2-step. Just download and install it, then open it up and pick your ISO file. Okay, really important. This process will wipe your USB drive, so make sure you back it up first. After that, just pick your USB drive from the list and hit that big right button. The tool pretty much takes over from here. Just hang tight until that progress bar finishes up. But what if you're a more advanced user and want other options? Well, don't worry, there are other tools. You've got YUMI, which is great for multi-boot setups. And for pros, there's the super fast DD command. And just like that, your USB is ready. Now for the fun part, let's actually boot from it. It's easy. Just restart your computer, pop into your boot menu, and select the USB drive. And boom, you're now running a full live session of Fedora right from your flash drive. So the main takeaway? A live USB is the perfect, totally risk-free way to check out a new OS.